The use of electricity is essential for carrying out our daily tasks, but it also poses significant risks if not handled correctly. Electrocutions are among the leading causes of workplace fatalities and injuries. In this video, we'll learn how to recognize electrical hazards in the workplace and discuss essential tips to avoid electrocution. Electrical hazards can be found in various areas of the workplace. Here are some of the most common electrical hazards. Frayed, damaged, or exposed wires can lead to electric shocks or fires. Always look for damaged cords and cables. Overloading circuits or plugging too many devices into a single outlet can cause circuits to overheat, which can cause fires or electrical shocks. Wet conditions. Water and electricity are a deadly combination. Working with electrical equipment in wet or damp environments increases the risk of shocks. Grounding on electrical equipment provides a safe path for electricity in case of a fault. Equipment without proper grounding increases your risk of getting electrocuted. Damaged or missing insulation can lead to serious electrical injuries. Insulation protects you from coming into contact with live wires. Regularly inspect electrical cords, tools, and equipment for signs of damage. Listen for unusual noises. Buzzing or crackling sounds near electrical equipment can indicate faulty wiring or connections. The smell of burning plastic or rubber can signal overheating or an electrical fault. If an electrical outlet, plug, or equipment feels unusually warm, it could be overloaded or malfunctioning. Now, let's go over some ways to avoid electrocution in the workplace. Always de-energize before servicing or repairing any electrical equipment or circuits. Lockout-tagout procedures should be followed to ensure the equipment cannot be energized while work is being performed. Be sure to turn off the power and verify it's off using a voltage tester. When working with electrical components, wear the appropriate personal protective equipment, such as insulated gloves, safety glasses, and flame-resistant clothing. Keep electrical equipment dry and away from water. If you must work in damp conditions, use ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs, to protect against shock. When working close to electrical equipment or power lines, use non-conductive ladder to prevent electrocution. Never use damaged tools. Modify them or use them in ways they were not intended. Avoid overloading circuits and distribute electrical loads appropriately. Never plug too many devices into a single outlet or power strip, and avoid using damaged or inappropriate extension cords. If you notice an electrical hazard, report it immediately to your supervisor or maintenance team. Do not attempt to fix electrical issues unless you are qualified and authorized. Pay attention to warning signs and labels on electrical equipment. These are in place to alert you to potential hazards and safe operating procedures. Next, let's review emergency response to electrical incidents. Knowing how to respond to electrical emergencies is just as important as preventing them. If someone is being shocked, do not touch them directly. Use a non-conductive object, like a wooden pole or a plastic item, to separate them from the electrical source. Immediately call emergency services and alert others nearby. Provide as much information as possible about the situation. If it's safe to do so, turn off the power source to stop the electrical flow. If trained and properly certified, provide first aid until emergency responders arrive. Electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. By recognizing electrical hazards and following these tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of electrocution and keep your workplace safe. Thank you for prioritizing electrical safety in your daily work.
Save valuable time by making it easy for your employees to consume safety talks from their own devices, and acknowledge training at the click of a button. As a safety manager, you can use our Toolbox Talk library to create and schedule safety talks days, weeks, and months in advance, all while saving time and boosting workplace safety. Your employees will have the flexibility to complete safety training anywhere and anytime, enabling managers to focus on other tasks, while still educating employees about critical safety protocols completely automated. Click the link below to request a demo.